In our final trade of the day, Jack Scoville of Price Futures Group joins me now for a look at this trading day, and here we are on Friday. So what would be a big trade for you today?
Well, I think I'm going to look over at the soybean market. We've heard some news this week of China signing another frame deal for 3.5 million tons of soybeans, and some of those sales are going to be announced through USDA, perhaps today, perhaps as early as next week sometime. That should give a big demand boost to a market that's been down a real long time, and we have some very iffy weather out in the Midwest as well. Some of the rains that we were expecting to see in dry areas this week really didn't make it, so those areas stayed dry, and there's some risk of less production. So between those two factors, I would suspect that today and perhaps into next week sometime we could see the soybeans put together a pretty nice rally.
So you'd like to be a buyer of the beans?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you think about the equities? Would you be a buyer of this dip?
You know, I think I'd probably leave it alone for right now. The stock market's been going so hard for so long, it needs probably a pretty decent correction. That's not to say that there aren't going to be higher prices at the end of the period, but for right now,